Hello boys and girls, this is Mr. Aiden here, your PE teacher. Today I'm going to show you step by step on how to edit an image for your Fit Principles poster challenge. So first things first, you want to go to pixlr.com, that is PIXLR.com. And what you want to do, this is the home screen that you'll be on, as you see here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on Playful Pixlr X. Now this is a free software. Don't have to pay for it, so don't have to worry about that. Once you click on that Pixlr Playful X, you'll come to this screen here. You will click Create New. Full HD is already selected there. Open image, and when you click open image, your file should pop up. The image that I'm going to, just for the sake of time here, I'm going to go to my desktop. You would go to images. I'm going to scroll to my team picture here, click on it, and then click open. Now we said we wanted the full HD. This is pre-resizing the image. So what we can do is make it web here for us, which would make it a little bit smaller since it's a pretty large picture. Click apply, and then the image will come up as you see here. Now once you get here, if you look over to the left over here where the cursor is, there's a bunch of options you can do. You can crop the image, you can remove backgrounds, you can cut stuff out, you can write on the image, add text. So click on add text if I'm going to type on it, double click so you can erase that, and then type what you want to text. So pretty simple. You can move it about however you want if you click and hold on that text you just typed. Pretty simple, easy to use, self-explanatory. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or a text. You guys have that information. So when I'm done here with my editing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to save, and I'm going to click that. Select the name, whatever type. If you just leave it at its standard, then you should be fine. Click download, and that'll go right down here to your downloads, and you're good. And remember to update that to our Google Classroom, and that's how you'll get your grade. Thanks for listening to me today. Please follow this video if you need help, and you have a wonderful day.